Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to add friends in Clash Royale. Alright, so first up, open up the game. Now once you're in here, just go ahead over to this icon at the bottom right, or the social icon. After once done, all you gotta do is just click on add friends, okay? Click on it. Now everybody that scans this QR code will be automatically your friend. So all you gotta do is just click on share right here, give it to the person that you know that you would love to play with you. Tap on share, open up your messenger, send it, or you can just go ahead and directly scan a code that was sent to you, okay? Or you can just go ahead and open up the camera icon, upload the QR code that was sent to you, or scan it from another screen, okay? That's basically it. You could also go ahead and quick play if you don't have friends yet, but go ahead and add me, okay? So go ahead and add me if you want to. All right. Also, you have clans right here. You can go ahead and tap on or click on show. You could join clans right here. And as you can see, you'll be able to check how many people are there in this specific clan. Okay, for example, 48 people right here under Lost Stars. MM Brothers, 42. You can just go ahead and click on join or click on one, hit on join. All right. Now to add friends via Supercell, you can go ahead and go back to the three horizontal lines right here, click on or tap on Supercell. Then when you go ahead and go to friends, you can just go ahead and tap on add right here, add or add. You can just go ahead and click on add friend with player ID, tap it down right here, tap on search, and they will pop up, and then just click on add. And that is it. That is how you add friends in Clash Royale. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.